there are many dogs, we say embwa nyingi. Here in Runyankole the order changes. It is the noun first, then the pronoun. One dog, then it is called embwa emwe. You see, we have written dog first and then we have put. Same like if you are one cow, it is ente emwe. One goat, embuzi emwe. Dogs provide security at home. Embwa nizituha obukuumi omumaka. A dog provides security at home. Embwa netuha obukuumi omumaka. A male dog is called enshongore, and a female dog is called embwakazi. Camels, they are called engamia, and a camel is engamia. Yeah. We move on. Donkeys, endogoya. That is called in singularities endogoya. That's a donkey. You can see the donkeys. We have pretty cool of donkeys, and we call them endogoya. 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 So we have horses, which are called embarasi. 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 We put this teeth is silent, so we call it embarasi. You can see the horses. And we have enkoko, that is hens. Even if it is one or many, it is enkoko. So a cock crows. Enshachi nejuga. You hear? Okujuga, we call it crowing. And a cock is called enshachi. Enshachi. A female hen lays eggs. Enkoko enkazi netera amahuri. So today we call it okutera. Eggs is amahuri. Male hen stroke cock enshachi. Young ones chicks obwana bwenkoko. We have rabbits obume. You can see the rabbits. Beautiful rabbits, and this one is called akame. We have turkeys, sekoko, and one is called sekoko, still the same. We have ducks, embata. Embata. If you put one single eight, it's called embata, which is not. So this is embata. You can see the ducks and their young ones. So we have cats, we call them enjangu. Enjangu. This J is read as za. Enjangu. Enjangu. Or some people call it kappa. Still the same. We have pigs, empunu. These pigs give us pork, which we call it enyama yempunu, meat of pigs. You can see our pigs in Ankole. We have rats, embeva. These ones are not domestic animals. We don't keep them, but they stay within our homes. Though they destroy our crops. We call them embeva. Embeva. You can see. And I say congratulations for finishing this lesson about the domestic animals. And I remain host Dennis. I sign out wishing you the best of life. And when you come to Uganda, think of moving to Ankole, and you tell them, I want a hen, ninyene koko. They'll give you, oh, ninyendente. They'll tell you, na kuhente, I've given you a cow.